Jania, how's it going? I've got a bit of a problem. You see, my car, this Golf Mach 7.5, has an issue. And that issue is that it requires an oil change. Now, as usually, I take my car to the garage and let the mechanic perform the oil change. But then I thought, why not do it myself? Like, it can't be that difficult. And think about it, I'll learn a new skill, save some money, and we all know that bunga is changa. So to help us do this, we're using eBay Assured Fit to make sure we get the right parts and accessories for my car. So first things first, let's head over to eBay Assured Fit page. Once we're here, just pop in the registration of your car. And for obvious reasons, man will not be revealing my number plate on the internet. So once you pop in your registration, you get a wide variety of products that specifically fit your car. And this for me is a game changer. Dosta, you don't know how many hours I've spent researching a part, buying the part, then returning that part 3 hours later because that thing does not fit. So I'm going to require some engine oil that is suitable for my car, an oil filter as well. Cool. We might as well get some wiper blades as my current ones are quite worn. Also, my car is nasty, it's dirty. So let's head over the car care section and get my car ready for summer. So I'm going to need a wash kit, some microfiber cloths. Cool, so now we've purchased the items. Let's wait a couple of days and then start the Mechanki. So now we have our items. Let's perform the oil and oil filter change. I like to warm up the engine and remove the oil filter cap. Allows the oil to flow much easier once the sump plug and filter is removed. Make sure the car is on level ground, then go under the car, remove the under tray that is held in place with some Torx screws, T25s and some T45s at the back. Now it's time to remove the sump plug. You'll need a 19mm socket and have an oil tray ready to capture the old oil. Once the engine oil has been drained, it's time to remove the oil filter. You'll need a 32mm socket and make sure you have your oil tray nearby. This is the oil filter, and as you can see, it definitely needed replacing. And here is our new filter. Make sure you lubricate the new ring with oil, and there we have it. Let's reinstall the oil filter and sump plug. Take the car off the ramp and then proceed to fill the engine oil. Make sure you know the exact amount. This can be found in your vehicle handbook. I like to pour slightly under, check the engine oil and then top it up. Let's chain the wiper blades. We'll start off with the rear. These are pretty simple to install. Now it's time for the front wiper blades. Similar procedure, but make sure you set the wipers to the service position, otherwise you risk damaging your bonnet. Now it's time to get my car ready for summer. Let's start off by doing a clean inside the car. Next, we'll use a wheel cleaner to clean the alloys. I always make sure the wheels are cleaned first. Once done, we'll use some traffic film remover to remove all the gunk from the car and give it a rinse. We'll use the shampoo and ultra wax using the 2-bucket method. Let's dry the car to prevent water spots. We'll finish it off with some polish and give the windows a good clean with some glass cleaner. Genius! Not only have we got my car ready for summer, we also changed the oil filter and wiper blades, all thanks to eBay Assured Fit. Just pop in your reg and you get a wide variety of car parts and accessories that fit your car specifically. And not only that, if for some reason they don't fit, you can return it for free within 30 days. Let me know what video you want to see next. Is it car maintenance or car cleaning? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.